Move right on then, and in the spotlight is Emcure Pharma. The IPO set to open for subscription today. It's a fresh issue worth 800 crores and OFS component included, equity shares by promoters and existing shareholders as well, the anchor investors having come on board. Let's understand all we need to know about this IPO with Srishti, who's joining in. Srishti.
Well, yes, Bain Capital back Emcure Pharma IPO opens today and it will be open till 5th of July. And this IPO sizes of around 1952 crores, wherein 800 crores is the fresh issue where the company will utilize some of the money for repayment of their debts. And other than that, there is an OFS of 1152 crores, wherein Shark Tank investor Namit Athapar will also offload some of its stake. Talking about the price band, that's between 960 to 1008 rupees. And if we talk about what the company actually does, then it indeed has a basket of products in the pharma space, but it derives around 50% of its share from the domestic market. And here too, it has a leadership position in some of the key therapies like Gynac, HIV antivirals, as well as vitamins. If we talk about the financials of the company, though in the past 3 years, the margins have been a little depressed and the profit figures stand at 527 crores. But with this IPO, with the repayment of its debt, some of the new manufacturing facilities coming on and some of the key acquisitions of their subsidiaries, the street is expecting that in the next 2 years, by FY26, their profit should hit around 850 to 900 crores. And actually valuing at that particular point by FY26 valuations, we see that this IPO is having a valuation of 21.2 times, while in comparison to rest of the other large cap pharma names, it is decently valued. But in comparison to Alkem, Torin and Mankind, this IPO is actually fairly cheap in terms of the FY26 valuations estimate. If we talk about the anchor investment, that the company has already raised around 583 crores from over 40 anchors investors still now, wherein Abu Dhabi Investment Fund, Goldman Sachs and even Morgan Stanley and some of the domestic mutual fund names like SBI, White Oak and Axis have also shown interest in this particular IPO. Back to you.
In fact, the big story is that anchor investors have come in last evening. And look at the names, the very prominent names have come in Emcure. And the reason you're seeing such a good response by quality anchor investors is the valuations. Now we'll tell you the valuation picture. If you look at the FY26 estimated numbers, Emcure is not there on that list. But look at how 23 times to 32 times is what the sector is trading at right now. And what is Emcure coming in at? 21 times. It is visibly priced very attractively, intelligently. I mean, kudos to the promoters who offer their IPOs and issues. They leave money on the table. So that is something to watch out for, and that is the reason why you are seeing very good response. I wouldn't be surprised that the grey market action also happens there, and there is a lot of response from the HNI retail as well, because it's a very good company and priced very attractively. Value has been left on the table. So that's the one point I wanted to highlight. But
if you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.